Good day, grade 9 learners, and welcome to another video lesson in preparation for our activities next week. Karon, musolve ta og integer problems. We will guess the number or we will guess the numbers. So let's have example number 1. I have a positive integer. If it is added to its square, the result is 42. What is my positive integer? Unsa man ang mga given? Unsa ang mga given conditions? Yes, naay usa ka number. Right? We have a positive integer. Pero wala ta kabalo sa exact value, sa exact number. So, ang exact number kay missing or unknown. Again, in algebra, atong i-represent ang missing or ang unknown with variables or letters. So, sa atong given, the step 1 nga analyze the problem, mag-representation ta. So, we say and write, let x be the number. Again, for the given, we are going to represent the unknown, atong i-represent ang unknown with the variable x or the letter x. So, we say and write, let x be the number. Nga, unsa man ang atong gibuhat sa positive integer? Unsa man ang atong gibuhat sa x? Yes, we square the number. We square the positive integer, we square the x. So, unsa man ang atong buhaton sa variable x kung gisquare siya? Yes, we will just add the exponent 2. Atong idungag ang exponent 2. So, we say and write, let x squared be the square of the number. Now, let's formulate the equation. Mangita ta og condition para sa equation. So, unsa pa man ang gibuhat sa missing number ug sa iyang square. Pagani atong keyword diri? Yes, we have the keyword nga added. Yes, ang missing number x ug ang square ni ini ng x squared atong gi-add. Pila man ang sum? Yes, ang sum sa x ug sa square ni ini kay 42. Karon, let's write in words ang given ug ang condition sa problem. So we say and write, a positive integer is added to its square. The result is 42. Karon, let's translate each phrase into its algebraic symbols. Again, ang positive integer atong gi-represent with the symbol or the letter x, the variable x. Unya, ang symbol para sa added or para sa addition kay, yes, ang plus sign. Unya, ang square sa missing integer, i-represent with x squared. And when we say the result is, yes, ang symbol kay equal sign and then copy 42 being the sum of the number and its square. Next, kay na naman tayo algebraic equation, we now solve the equation and state the answer. Right, solving for x. So first, we write the equation. Now, atong i-rewrite ang equation into its standard form for a quadratic equation. So, unsa man ang unang term sa quadratic equation? Yes, the quadratic term. It is the term with the exponent 2 or with the degree 2. Sa matong quadratic term sa kaning equation? Yes, ang quadratic term nato kay x squared. So, atong isuwat ang x squared as the first term of the equation to consider the standard form. Unya, unsa nga term ang sunod sa quadratic term? Yes, ang linear term. So we write the linear term x next to the quadratic term. Unya, unsa man ang term next to the linear term? Yes, ang constant term. Naa na ba sa left side of the equation ang constant term? Wala. So, atong ibalhin ang constant term na positive 42 from the right side of the equation to the left side of the equation. Iniglabang sa 42, across the equal sign, so mausab ang sign sa constant term ng 42. From positive 42, mahimong negative 42 sa left side of the equation. So again, from positive 42, mahimong negative 42 sa left side of the equation. So we write negative 42 after the linear term x. So we now have the quadratic equation in its standard form. X squared, positive x, negative 42 is equal to 0. Now, time to do factoring. The factors of this quadratic expression are x plus 7 and x minus 6. So we now solve for x. So to solve for x, we equate each factor with 0. So we have x plus 7 equal to 0. And then we added the additive inverse of positive 7, which is negative 7, to both sides of the equation para ang x na lang ang mahibilin sa left side. So the first value of x is negative 7. Pero we are looking for a positive integer man. So we disregard the root nga negative 7. Now we have x minus 6 equal to 0. We added again the additive inverse of negative 6, which is positive 6, to both sides of the equation para x na mahibilin sa left side, and then 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. Alright, so the second root or the second value of x is 6. Therefore, the positive integer is 6. And finally, let's check. Is 6 the correct answer? So we ask the question, is the sum of the number and the square 42? Our answer is 6, and the square of 6 is 36. And 6 plus 36 is indeed 42. Hence, makaingon ta that the sum of the computed or discovered number, which is 6, and its square is 42. And again, that positive integer is number 6. Alright, so thank you for watching, dear grade 9 learners, and we hope that you have learned something